Hey, Rusty here, and welcome to the Game Creation Using Your Phone series. Today you'll be adding better touchscreen interaction, phone sensor detection, and long touch controls. Alright, let's get started by doing the hard one first. In our balloon, we're going to create a new event for when scene starts for a new group of code here. And in this, we want to add a forever loop. And in this forever loop, we want to add a motion to change X. And in this change X by motion, we're going to add some sensor data that's determined by our phone leading left to right. And that's what it's going to change X by. So we're going to have to change this to a negative, and then we're going to select inclination X and then divide it by 4 to slow it down. Now that you're moving your phone from the left to right, it's going to be hard to tap the balloon. So we're going to change this to when scene is tapped instead of when the balloon is tapped. Very simple, very easy. Delete the old one and we're good to go. Now we're going to create it so that the screen vibrates when someone taps and holds. Now we're going to add two controls, a wait and an if statement. The if statement is to detect the sensor data of where tapped and if it was held. Click on the value in the if statement and let's go to sensors, and we'll change this to our stage is touched, and then we're going to check again to see if the stage is last indexed where it was touched is the same. Now to make the screen vibrate, that's under motion, vibrate for 1 second. Now we can go back and shorten the wait time for the long touch, and here we go. In the next tutorial, we'll be polishing our game with user interaction and background and music.